Hey students, this is just a video to show you how to use that Classkick that I've got for you so you can get caught up on all of your assignments. When you click the link here, it's going to show you this, and you are going to put your name in there. Continue. Now this is what you see. Up here in the top, you can see that that's where you turn the pages. So on page 1 is our table of contents. And so you can see on page 2, and you can turn the page this way to get to page 2. So that's on unit 4. Page 3 shows you options and instructions for the unit 6.1. Page 4 has links to the notes and flashcards for all 3 of the tests. These are super helpful, so please open the notes before you take the test. Page 5 has the unit 8.04 portfolio project. Page 6 has some drawing activities if you want to boost your grade, and there are links to all those that we've done in class. Page 7 is a choice board of activities for those if you're finished with everything, but you want to continue to do some stuff with art. And then page 8 tells you how to turn things in. There's a video down there at the bottom on how to take a picture, how to send a photo with your phone, so there's instructions there. So you can also do this drop down and go straight to the page that you want. So I just wanted to show you how to use this tool to get yourself all caught up. For example, on page 3, for Unit 6, you have 9 options. You've got 6 up here, and then you've got 3 down here. The 3 down here are super fast. They're digital websites that you'll go to create a piece of art. Take a screenshot and submit that for the assignment. Remember, you have to submit it online and don't send me an email, okay? I just wanted to do this to see if that would help you out. Y'all have a great day.